Hello everybody, welcome back to the Metal Scrapper channel. I'm sorry there was no video last week. I had no time to make and upload a new video. But this week there's a new video. I hope you all enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Metal Scrapper channel. And Metal Scrapper at work. I'm on ship right now. This is my cabin where I live. I can show it. Don't look at the mess because it's weekend. So this is my bunk bed. Right here where I sleep. We got room for 6 persons, but we sleep with 5 now. So we got some guests. You can see their bags right now here. So it's a little bit messy. Normally at sea it's all tidy, because when the ship moves, all stuff has to be properly stowed away. But my wife has sent me a package. You can see it. It's meant to be on YouTube. So let's see what we got. If I can open it up with one hand. So we have a card for the best dad in the world. That's sweet. And what do I see here? It looks like my channel logo. Looks like a t-shirt. So let's see what it is. Yeah, it is a t-shirt. And it is with my channel logo. That's awesome. So my own merchandise. It's great, thank you. So I'm going to wear this in one of my next videos. Hell, there's even more with my logo on it. Look, Metal Scrapper. Some chocolates, cookie doughs. And we have a Metal Scrapper book. To write some notes in. Also with my own logo. That's great. Another card with the Dutch text, zomaar. And what do we have more? A tiny t-shirt? No. It's my own underwear. With the logo. Some boxer shorts with the logo. That's real nice. Real good gifts. I got a travel bug. It's not allowed to show that, because you have to find it to discover this. One of my hobbies is to go walk around in other countries, and I'm geocaching. Geocaching, you can buy your own travel bug. You can put it in a geocache so it can travel further. And this is the navy geocache with a bronze look, especially for me, for the Metal Scrapper. Well, thank you. We'll give this a nice place in my next port of call, so it can travel on from there. And what do we have more? Look guys, this is some interesting stuff to read. The Backyard Foundry, the workshop practice series number 25. So we have 25, the Backyard Foundry. There's a lot of more material: hardening, tempering and heat treatment, vertical milling in the home workshop, screw cutting and elati. This is just to, if I have my own proper workshop, I need the whole collection, I guess. Start metal working. So this is some interesting. I had this on a wish list, I guess. So my wife bought this for me. Look, it's all in English, but that's not a problem. Here they're making a furnace. A lot of pictures. So I can learn something. Making mold shapes, I guess. So I've got some homework to do, because when I get back I really need to make some nice projects. And we got another book. Foundry work for the amateur. It's number 4 in the same series. Foundry work for the amateur. What will be inside here? The pieces as cast. So this is where you will learn to cast your own stuff. Here, this with the green sand, I guess. It should break clean. Yeah. That's what I learned so far from YouTube. Here's some flasks. Or molding boxes. So how to make a molding box. It's some great stuff. I can learn a lot from this and improve my work. There's a complete engine with all castings, including the cylinder liners from the home foundry. So you can, if you want, you can make your own stuff at home. I knew it's possible, but it just shows here how it comes out of the shape. If you make this is the end result. So the next page is very interesting. Look at this. So I think if I'm going to read and study this, my work will really improve. So I'm ready to cast myself some nice stuff. I hope this opens up my eyes and make some beautiful stuff from metal. So this was the unboxing of the package I got from my wife and my kids. So thank you for that. They're real sweet persons, real good for me. I will study it and do my homework. So next year I will be able to cast something nice. And of course, with my own underwear. And in my next video I will just wear this t-shirt. So this is it, a short video with the unboxing of some great stuff. I hope you like this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe, because I will do real great casting projects soon. I'm sure of that. If I do my best at it, I will succeed. So thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye bye.